In this video, we're going to show you how you can add SignalWire towards your UChat workspace. As you can see, you will need three pieces of information. The first one will be the project ID. Then we will have the API token. And last but not least, we have the space URL. Once you have logged in towards your SignalWire account, as you can see here, the project ID will be on your home page. You can just copy the project ID directly there. Let's just paste this into the existing field. Let's go towards the space URL because we also have that available on the home page as well. Copy it and then paste it directly inside the space URL. The last step will be to figure out where to get the API token. If we go back towards SignalWire, we can go towards API and you can create your API token here. Let's just create a token, give it a name. You can give all the scopes that you like to, especially if you're using a more than just chat or voice, you can also enable the rest as well. Let's press save. And now we have our specific token. We can show it, copy it, and then paste it directly inside of UChat. If we press save, we should get a verified status. So let's have a look. And as you can see, success data saved, and we have the verified status. You have now added SignalWire towards your UChat workspace.